Looking to elevate your content creation game? In 2025, two standout contenders have emerged, the Canon EOS R50 V and the Sony ZV-E10 II. Let's delve into their specs to see which one aligns best with your creative vision. Welcome back, creators! Today, we're diving into a head-to-head specs comparison between the Canon EOS R50 V and the Sony ZV-E10 II. No sample footage, just clear, concise breakdown to help you make an informed decision. For the sensor and image quality, the Canon EOS R50 V have 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with DigicX processor, while the Sony ZV-E10 II have 26 megapixel APS-C X-More-R CMOS sensor with Bion-X R processor. Both camera features APS-C sensors, offering excellent image quality. The Sony edges slightly ahead with a higher resolution sensor which can provide more detail in the shots. For the video capabilities, the Canon R50 V have 4K up to 60 frames crop and 4K 30 frames full width oversample from 6K, Full HD up to 120p, 10-bit 422 internal recording, Canon Lag 3, HLG and PQ support, while the Sony ZV-E10 II 4K up to 60p with slightly cropped, Full HD up to 120, 10-bit 422 internal recording, S-Lag 3 and HLD support. Both cameras are capable of high recording quality for 4K recording. The Canon offers full with 4K and 30p with 6K oversampling, providing sharp and detailed footage. The Sony matches with the 4K 60p capabilities, albeit with a slight crop. Regarding for the autofocus and tracking, the Canon EOS R50 V have dual pixel CMOS AF2 with subject detection of humans, animal, and vehicle, while the Sony ZV-E10 II have fast hybrid autofocus with real-time IAF for humans and animals. Both systems offer reliable autofocus. Canon's dual pixel AF is known for smooth tracking, while the Sony real-time AF is highly regarded for its precision. Regarding for the screen and controls, the Canon EOS R50 V has 3.2 fully articulating touchscreen LCD, and the Sony ZV-E10 II also have a 3.0 fully articulated touchscreen. Both cameras features very angled touchscreen, making them ideal for vlogging and self-recording. About audio and connectivity, the Canon EOS R50 V have 3.5mm microphone input and 3.5mm headphone output, digital hot shoe for advanced audio accessories, while the Sony ZV-E10 II have 3.5mm microphone input and 3.5mm headphone output, multi-interface shoe for compatible accessories. Both cameras cater the audio needs with the mic and headphone jacks, ensuring high-quality sounds, monitoring, and recording. If you are seeking a camera optimized for video with features like 6K oversampling and Canon's renowned color science, the Canon EOS R50 V is a compelling choice. On the other hand, if you are preferring slightly higher resolution sensor and Sony real-time autofocus, the Sony ZV-E10 is standouts. Thanks for watching. Which camera aligns with your creativity goals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful comparison. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.